There are three main reasons. Firstly, kidney stones can cause very severe pain than labor pain. Secondly, kidney stones can cause life-threatening infections. Thirdly, the kidney stones can cause kidney failure even without your knowledge. There are four main ways to treat kidney stones. Firstly, extracorporeal shockwave lithotripsy or ESWL. Then, flexible ureterorhinoscopy. We also call it RIRS, that is retrograde intrarenal surgery. Thirdly, percutaneous nephrolithotomy or we call it PCNL. And finally, the traditional method, open surgery. ESWL is a non-invasive technique. In this method, we are using shock waves to shatter kidney stones. But large kidney stones and kidney stones with high density is difficult to treat with shock wave lithotripsy. And the stone free rate is much less, and you might have to have several sessions to achieve a reasonable outcome. In ESWL, when we are using shock waves, other than shattering the stone, it can cause damage to the kidney tissue. And there are more techniques to treat kidney stones which are more effective. RIRS, retrograde intrarenal surgery or flexible ureterorhinoscopy, is a technique which is minimally invasive, and we are passing a very tiny instrument through the ureter up to the kidney, and we are using laser energy to break up the kidney stone. RIRS is an effective technique to treat small kidney stones, but in larger and complex kidney stones, there are more effective methods to treat them. Open surgery is the traditional way to treat kidney stones. In this technique, we are going to have about 6-inch cut in your lower back and also a cut in the kidney to remove the kidney stone. This is a painful procedure, and the patient might have to wait a couple of weeks to return to the normal activities. And there are better methods to treat kidney stones effectively. PCNL is the most effective method to treat kidney stones with minimal morbidity. PCNL can reach anywhere in the kidney to treat kidney stones of whatever the size, whatever the density, and whatever the complexity. PCNL is a technique recognized world over. It has been endorsed by the American and European urological authorities, and it's considered as the gold standard to treat larger and complex renal stones. In this technique, we are going to access the kidney with a very tiny instrument, and through this instrument, we are going to pass laser energy to break the kidney stone and remove them entirely out. Real benefit of PCNL is it's very successful, and the patient can return home almost immediately after recovery. That's within 24 hours, and he can return to his normal activities within a couple of days. Here at Derns, we have the latest technology to deal with any kind of kidney stones of whatever the complexity. Kidney stones never stop growing, so the slightest pain that you might having now can be severe, and they can give rise to life-threatening infections and also kidney failure even without your knowledge. So why don't you screen yourself to diagnose kidney stones and get treatment before it's damage your kidney.